B&Q has been working with Shelter, the housing and homelessness charity, since 2017. And in this very special year, B&Q's customers and colleagues have raised an incredible £1 million. Easy when you know how. As well as supporting Shelter's frontline advice services, the money raised funds a team of specialist DIY skills advisors. So it's teaching those clients how to use those tools and giving them confidence to do it. And a good job.
Thank you.
They may not have any skills whatsoever, and it's all about making that house into a home. I do this job because I like passing on the skills that I've learned onto other people. Since B&Q's involvement with our DIY Skills Advisor role, we've built up a wonderful relationship with the staff. They are really keen, and it's lovely for them to know what we are spending the money on that they are raising in store. The client today is a typical client of ours. One of her sons has got quite serious medical issues. He was sharing a bedroom with his mom and his 13-month-old sister. It's lovely to be involved with the children's room. That's one of our favourite rooms to be doing. I've got children of my own, and I've always given them the choice of what they would like in their rooms, and to be able to do that for clients is equally important. I love my job. I get a great sense of achievement from my role.
None of this would be possible without our amazing customers and their generosity. I'd just like to say on behalf of Shelter and B&Q, a huge thank you.
Thank you!